purpose of this video is to show how to remove and replace the door gasket on the Converge oven. First, make sure the oven is cooled down. You will need proper personal protective equipment. You will also need a replacement Converge door gasket, window cleaner, and a plastic scraper. Do not use steel pads, wire brushes, or metal scrapers. Next, remove the old gasket. Clean the gasket channel using a towel and isopropyl alcohol. Remove any glue or silicone. Inspect the channel for any remaining grease, debris, or damage. If damage is found, report it to your manager. After the gasket channel is completely clean, remove the new gasket from the packaging. Inspect the gasket for any tears or rips that would cause it to leak once installed. Line up the gasket by checking the orientation of the gasket to the door opening. Spray window cleaner on the gasket to lubricate it for installation. Do not apply any glue or silicone to the gasket or the channel. Starting at the top left corner, insert the corner of the gasket into the channel and push it into place. Then move to the top right corner. Push the corner into the channel. Return to the middle, pushing the top of the gasket completely into the channel. Moving to the lower right corner, insert the gasket into the channel. Follow the same practice with the other sides. Repeat the steps for the last corner. You can use more window cleaner to help lubricate the gasket and make installation easier. Inspect the angle of the gasket at each corner for alignment to the oven cavity and adjust the gasket as necessary. Then, inspect the edge of the gasket against the door glass to ensure a proper seal. Finally, run a rinse cycle and check for any leaks. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.